we'll see why power quality has become important now. Just to recap, let's see introduction to power quality. Main question, what is power quality? So power quality is about deviations of voltage and or current from the ideal, but as we have seen, whether or not this deviation is important, it will depend upon the purpose of installation, its sensitivity, as well as the design of equipment, that is the immunity of the equipment. And just to give you a recap of the power quality problems, harmonics, then there is a reactive power, network unbalance, voltage variations, that is sags and swells, oscillations, flickers, and transients. So all these kind of power quality problems are existing in today's electrical system. But some of the power quality problems were also present earlier also. But the main questions now that is in front of us is why are we concerned about power quality now? So let's see those reasons. Let's start. Why are we concerned about power quality now? First is the equipment. The new generation load equipment are microprocessor based and they also have power electronic devices. Now these devices as well as these electronic controls are more sensitive to power quality variation, and hence we are concerned about power quality now. Next is the efficiency. Now there is more and more emphasis on increasing the efficiency of the equipment as well as efficiency of the system, and hence there is a more use of adjustable speed drives for the motors or shunt capacitors for power factor correction equipments. But all these devices like VFDs or the power factor correction capacitors are susceptible to power quality problems, and hence we are more concerned about power quality. Another point that is we are more concerned about power quality is the awareness. The end user has now increased awareness about power quality issues. The end user now knows what kind of problems and what kind of losses are there due to bad power quality. The interconnection. Now most of the systems in an industries are interconnected. Most of the sections are interconnected, and any problem in any section will hamper not only the work in that section but also the input to the next section is hampered and the total process stops. So although there are advantages of an interconnected network, but the power quality problems will stop total network or total process, and hence there is a more concern about the power quality. One of the more important point is the standardization. Now there is a growing need for the standardization and the performance criteria, not only during manufacturing but also during the selling of the products all over the world. So if anyone has to go for a all over world marketing and sales and selling the equipment, they have to go by certain standards and performance criteria, and power quality becomes an important, because if there is a bad power quality, the performance or the equipment quality will not be as per the standards. Competition. Not only there is a competition in the industries, but now with the help of all these new things coming up like deregulation, there are more private players coming up and the utilities now want to deliver a good product. There is no monopoly now. End user has option to go for different utilities. Now utilities, to remain in competition, they have to give a good power quality, and that's why power quality, we are concerned about power quality. Utilities have to keep their reputation by delivering a good power quality. And last but not least, the measurement. The power quality can be measured. In earlier, we were not having sophisticated measurement devices which could measure harmonics, which could measure sags, swells, or the transients, which are very short duration phenomena. For example, transient comes in microseconds. So earlier measurement devices were not capable of measuring those power quality events. But with the help of now smart electronic devices or the DSP based devices, There are many power quality measurement devices available which can measure power quality, and now that's why we are concerned about more about power quality.